ULIP or term insurance. One gives you investment plus insurance, the other gives you pure protection. But choose wrong and you could lose lakhs over time. Let's uncover 5 costly mistakes Indians often make when choosing between these two and how you can avoid them. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify personal finance for individual investors like you. Today, we are diving deep into a dilemma most people face: ULIP versus term insurance. They sound similar, but trust me, they serve very different purposes. So before you sign that insurance form, let's make sure you're not falling into these traps. Number 1, mistaking insurance for investment. Too many people look at ULIPs thinking they have found the best of both worlds, investment and insurance in one plan. But here's the truth: ULIPs try to wear two hats. Your premium is split between life insurance and market-linked investments. Sounds smart, right? Not always, because neither side performs at its full potential. Your cover isn't as robust as term insurance, and your returns may not beat a pure mutual fund. Term plans, on the other hand, are laser focused. Affordable premiums, large life cover, no distraction. So ask yourself, do you want financial protection or market returns? And pick accordingly. Mistake number 2, ignoring hidden charges in ULIPs. So ULIP comes with more fees than most people realize. Premium allocation charge, fund management fees, mortality charges, policy admin fees, and they all quietly eat into your investment. Term plans, no frills. You pay a flat premium for a fixed cover, that's it. So before you're lured by the dual benefit of a ULIP, ask, how much of my money is actually being invested? Number 3, not considering the lock-in period. So ULIPs lock your money in for 5 years. That means no liquidity, no partial withdrawals, nothing. Do you need emergency funds in year 3? Too bad. Term insurance, on the other hand, gives you full protection from day 1, no strings attached. So think, can you afford to part with your money for 5 years without touching it? If not, ULIP may not be the right fit. Number 4, neglecting to assess risk tolerance. So ULIPs can invest your money in equity, debt or hybrid funds. That means your returns are directly tied to how the market performs. Yes, that can lead to growth. But ask yourself, are you emotionally and financially ready for the ups and downs? Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing, which is a quote said by Warren Buffett. So in contrast, term insurance is simple. Zero investment risk, fixed premiums, guaranteed coverage. So before you pick a ULIP, reflect. Can you stay calm during a market correction, or will you panic if returns fall short? Your risk appetite matters more than you think, so don't ignore it. Number 5, focusing only on short-term goals. So ULIPs are long-term wealth building tools. They are ideal for big picture goals like retirement planning, your child's higher education, and long-term health security. But if you are looking for short-term gains, a ULIP can disappoint. Why? High charges, low yearly returns, and lock-in periods make them unsuitable for short-term needs. Term insurance, meanwhile, is great for focused, temporary life covers at a low cost. So be honest, are you building long-term wealth or just seeking short-term safety? Your answer should drive your choice. Now there's something called tax angle, like what's changing soon. So here's something many people don't know. Starting April 1, 2026, if your annual ULIP premium exceeds 2.5 lakh rupees, your returns will be taxed under capital gains, just like mutual funds. That could eat into your long-term growth. So term insurance still fully tax-free, no capital gains. Section 80C plus Section 10D benefits remain intact. So does your insurance plan still make sense in light of these changes? So what is the final takeaway from this video? At the end of the day, choosing between a ULIP and a term plan isn't just a financial move, it's a strategic one that could shape your family's security and your financial future. So let's recap. Do you want pure protection at the lowest cost? Then go for term insurance. But do you want to build long-term wealth and are okay with some risk? Then consider a ULIP, but tread carefully. But if you're not sure what's right, then split your strategy. Term plan for protection plus mutual fund SIPs for investment. Because the smartest decision isn't about what others are buying. It's about what aligns with your goals, your risk appetite, and your financial future. Planning is bringing the future into the present so that you can do something about it now. This is a quote by Alan Laken. So if you're still unsure, don't go it alone. Book your free consultation with one of our certified financial planner by clicking the link in the description, and let us help you choose the right path for your financial goals, not someone else's sales target. As always, like, share and subscribe for more honest, clear and actionable money advice. Until next time, invest smart and stay protected. Thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.